Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue of Windows Update and the settings will just not load or it's a blank page. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I would suggest doing would be just to restart your computer. And then hopefully if you went ahead and checked for the settings for Windows Update now, hopefully they should appear. If not, there's a few other things we can try, and they would entail opening up the search menu, search for troubleshoot, best match should say troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. Underneath options, select other troubleshooters, and then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update troubleshooter and the corresponding run button. And then see if that's able to resolve the problem. Something else we can try here, if you open up the start menu again, type in CMD, best match should say command prompt, right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of my video. Go ahead and copy the first one. It's a DISM scan. So you can either right click on the top bar of the command prompt window, select edit and paste it in, or tap Control V on your keyboard to run that command and give us a couple minutes to run. Okay, once that is finished, go ahead and paste in the second command in the description of my video. This is the system file checker utility, and let this run. And once that's done, close out of here and restart your computer. And then hopefully at this point, if you attempt to modify the Windows Update settings, those settings should appear. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.